Hi, and welcome to our first and hopefully not our last quick Tough Top video blog. My name is Rick Oberreiter, and I'm the marketing director at Tough Tops. I'm here on the Oregon coast in my little scamp. It's summer and travel season is in full swing. So either if you're a full-time RVer or on a summer vacation, you can't plan for the unexpected. That's just life on the road. So what do you do if your RV awning decides to rip or tear while you're traveling? There's no need to go without an awning or to pause your trip and wait for your replacement fabric to come via UPS. We can help. You can still take advantage of our website and online ordering. If you're on the move but know where you're going to be, you can make arrangements with your next destination and add that shipping address to your order. If you're not sure, that's okay. You can use your current address and simply call or email us and let us know you'll be on the road, and we will call you when your order is complete. And rest assured, we will call. We pride ourselves on our customer service, and we're always one call or email away to make sure you stay on your schedule. So it's really as simple as that. We just like to plant the seed to let you know that this is always an option. So that's our quick, like I said, this was a quick one. So hopefully we can do more of these. If you have an idea or a topic about a video, about our next video blog, let us know or make a comment in the comment section. You can learn more about us, watch our how-to videos, and connect with us through our website, and that's www.toughtopawnings.com. And we're happy to do this and see you later on the road. Thanks for watching. Safe travels and happy RVing.